Right, so what I'm going to do today is show you the most sustainable way to actually water your lawn, and it's using this fella right here. And that is a battery powered water pump with the water butt attachment on it. They're not that expensive. I think they're kind of anywhere from 70 to 100 pounds, something like that. You lash your battery in, you lash it in your water butt, and it effectively waters your lawn without you having to use the mains, which is boss if you're going through a heat wave, but also boss if you've got a small lawn. Because I know what someone's going to say in the comments. They're going to go, I've got a monster lawn with 5 million square meters. Well, this method might not work for you unless you've got a big, massive, like monster tub of a water. But whereas something like this, what I can do is water both the lawns in my back garden for around about half an hour. So lash him in there with the dead spider floating in the water. Hook this little geezer onto the side. Job's a good one. Now, because it's sustainable, there's loads of benefits to it, including like saving the planet, saving the turtles. I think you're guaranteed to save at least one turtle by using this method to water your lawn. Now, someone may argue again that we've got a battery in here which we've had to charge in the garage, and some sort of like power station somewhere has enabled me to charge it, and that means that is going to kill a turtle. But if you think about it, if we save a turtle with the water but we lose a turtle with the battery charge, and then we kind of break even on the turtles that we do have. So if anything, their population remains the same. There's no specific scientific data to actually back up what I've just said. And just to show you the power of this before we actually start, the thing's actually fairly powerful. So if we flick the switch on and turn the old tap, you see the water pressure is unbelievable. So if you have a hose lock fella like this or something similar, it'll easily be enough pressure to get this doing its little oscillation thing. But today, instead, we're going to be using the Sumi Soaker. It's what I've used now for a few years. It's a soaker hose, which means that it kind of gives you a nice fine mist, but also you don't need a lot of pressure in order to get it watering your lawn. You'll see what I mean once it's set up. There we go, look at that. It's all happening. Water doing its thing. Good old water butt with the pump, and if we just get in over the top now, we can see, oh, we've got a bit of extra there, a bit of extra coming from this fella. It's not raining, so I'm not sure what that's about, but I'm not going to complain. Extra water. It's going to be on for around about 30 minutes now. So the battery is a 4-amp battery. Let this thing running. It should use most of that water butt. Now, my lawns are really small. You're talking the best part of like a maximum of 40 square meters total. So if you've got 100 square meters to water, then you might need to use 2 full water butts. And really, for most people to be able to water your lawn for half an hour with the water butts you have, I think is boss. I have a couple of tutorials on my channel as well, showing you how to firstly install a water butt, but also how to connect 2 together as well. And you can pretty much chain as many as you want. If you've got like, you know, 500 square meters and you want to chain 15 of these together, then knock yourself out. Go for it. Use the soaker hose, so I'll tell you what, the pressure will work over that monster distance too. So thanks for watching today's video. Hopefully you found it useful. It's just a little tip as to another way to water your lawn sustainably to save the turtles. And if you want to save more turtles on the planet, or have things like a purple fella knocking about doing the splits in your garden like this geezer down here, then consider subscribing. If you haven't already, we've got loads of lawn tip videos that are simple, no nonsense, straight to the point, and you don't need loads of fancy things to make it happen, despite having a water pump fella. But get yourself the screw fix, get yourself on Toolstation, get yourself a Boss deal there. I might even leave a link somewhere in the description below. It's like something from Amazon that you can pick up. So yeah, give it a like, click on one of the videos on screen now, and yeah, thanks for watching.